My name is Twan van Gent and my profession is BMX racing. Before I started racing professionally, I was on school for industrial design. So industrial design, engineering, that part of me is getting awake more and more. I was quite nervous in the beginning to come here for the course, because it's not school anymore. My classmates are engineers, and I'm an athlete, and that's a completely different world. So I was really nervous to get back into it. Do I understand everything, and isn't it too hard? My classmates are really interested in what I did as well, and it was a really nice combination of people, and it was a varied group. And at the end, we all helped each other. It was a really easy way to start using SOLIDWORKS again for me. It was really simple. It was really easy explained for me, like in a normal language, not engineering talks. I felt by myself really comfortable after coming here for the first time.